English Gujarati future, to be, I will be equals.
હું હોઈશ.
Welcome. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your shortcut to speaking with confidence. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today we'll crack the Gujarati future of to be with jokes, claps, and quick wins. Seatbelt on, future tense coming in hot. Your goal today. You'll say future promises like a pro by the end. Ready? I will be equals.
હું હોઈશ.
You will be, informal, one friend, equals.
તું હશે.
He will be equals.
તે હશે.
She will be equals.
તે હશે.
It will be equals.
તે હશે.
We will be equals.
અમે હોઈશું.
You will be, plural, formal, equals.
તમે હશો.
They will be equals.
તેઓ હશે.
Forms at a glance. First, a clean sweep through the forms. Repeat after me. I will be on time.
હું હોઈશ સમય પર.
You will be ready, informal.
તું હશે તૈયાર.
He will be fine.
તે હશે ઠીક.
She will be at the office.
તે હશે ઓફિસમાં.
It will be easy.
તે હશે સરળ.
We will be there by 6.
અમે હોઈશું 6 વાગ્યા સુધી.
You will be the hosts, plural, formal.
તમે હશો યજમાન.
They will be champions.
તેઓ હશે વિજેતા.
Mini dialogue, the future plan. Listen in and echo the bold bits. Yes, talk to me. A. Tomorrow's meetup? I will be there at 6.
હું હોઈશ.
At 6. B. Nice. Ria says she will be on time.
તે હશે.
Samayasara. A. And your cousin? He will be fine.
તે હશે.
Thika. B. The room? It will be ready.
તે હશે તૈયાર.
A. Our team? We will be at the venue.
અમે હોઈશું.
B. Guests, you will be the stars.
તમે હશો.
Starsa. A. Late friends? They will be here soon.
તેઓ હશે.
Tunkamam. C. And you, informal, pointing at a buddy, you will be DJ.
તું હશે.
DJ. Rhythm drill. Clap on the brackets, then speak the Gujarati. Keep it bouncy. Clap, I will be.
હું હોઈશ.
Clap, you will be, informal.
તું હશે.
Clap, he, she, it will be.
તે હશે.
Clap, we will be.
અમે હોઈશું.
Clap, you will be, plural, formal.
તમે હશો.
Clap, they will be.
તેઓ હશે.
Culture tip. Garba scheduling. Let's tie it to life, festival style. Before a Navratri night, you might text, we will be at the gate by 9.
અમે હોઈશું 9 વાગ્યા સુધી દરવાજા પાસે.
Telling a friend, you, informal, will be my dance partner.
તું હશે મારું ડાન્સ પાર્ટનર.
Reminding the crew, you, plural, will be the hosts.
તમે હશો યજમાન.
Confidence boost. It will be amazing.
તે હશે અદ્ભુત.
Quiz time. Quick fire. Say the Gujarati out loud, then I'll reveal the answer. Q1, they will be ready. A1.
તેઓ હશે તૈયાર.
Q2, I will be there at 6. A2.
હું હોઈશ 6 વાગ્યે ત્યાં.
Q3, you will be the speaker, plural, formal. A3.
તમે હશો વક્તા.
Q4, he will be fine. A4.
તે હશે ઠીક.
Q5, we will be on time. A5.
અમે હોઈશું સમયસર.
Bonus, you, informal, will be a great help. Bonus A.
તું હશે મોટી મદદ.
Final challenge. Speed round. Repeat each in 3, 2, 1. I will be ready.
હું હોઈશ તૈયાર.
You, informal, will be at college.
તું હશે કોલેજમાં.
He will be at home.
તે હશે ઘરે.
She will be the winner.
તે હશે વિજેતા.
It will be important.
તે હશે મહત્વનું.
We will be at the museum by noon.
અમે હોઈશું બપોર સુધી મ્યુઝિયમમાં.
You, plural, will be the hosts.
તમે હશો યજમાન.
They will be on time.
તેઓ હશે સમયસર.
Wrap up. High five, you powered through the future tense. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I will be.
હું હોઈશ.
You, informal, will be.
તું હશે.
He, she, it will be.
તે હશે.
We will be.
અમે હોઈશું.
You, plural, will be.
તમે હશો.
They will be.
તેઓ હશે.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.